In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Hostinger plan seamlessly and efficiently. If you're finding that your current plan no longer meets your needs, whether that's due to increased traffic on your website or the addition of more resources, upgrading your Hostinger plan could be just what you need. Before we dive in, make sure you're logged into your Hostinger account. This is the first and critical step to initiating any changes regarding your hosting plan. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your control panel where you can manage all your websites and domains. Navigate to the hosting section. In this area, you should see a list of all the services and plans currently associated with your account. Here, identify the specific plan you want to upgrade. After locating the correct service, click on it to bring up a more detailed view of that plan. This view will provide you with in-depth information about what your current plan offers, including bandwidth, storage, and the number of websites supported. Sometimes, just reviewing your current usage can help clarify why an upgrade is necessary. After this, look for the upgrade options. This is typically visible as a button or link, often labeled as Upgrade Plan or something similar. Clicking the upgrade link will present you with a range of plans available for you to switch to. Hostinger usually offers several tiers, each providing more comprehensive features and resources than the last. Make sure to carefully review and compare these options. Look at what each plan provides and align it with your needs. For instance, if you're expecting a large increase in traffic, you may want a plan that offers higher bandwidth. Or, if you're planning to host multiple websites, ensure the new plan accommodates multiple domains. Once you've selected the plan best suited for your expanding needs, it's time to proceed to checkout. Follow the on-screen instructions which will lead you through the payment process. Pay close attention to this section as there might be additional features you want to include, or promotional codes you can apply. Hostinger sometimes offers discounts or additional services, and it never hurts to double-check if there are savings available. After completing your purchase, the upgrade is usually implemented automatically. However, it's a good idea to confirm that your new resources are active. Return to the dashboard and verify that the new plan details reflect the upgrade. If there are any discrepancies or if you encounter any issues during the upgrade process, reach out to Hostinger's customer support for assistance. They are fairly responsive and can help resolve any hiccups you might experience. And there you have it. You've successfully upgraded your Hostinger plan. Remember, upgrading your hosting plan is a great way to ensure your website runs smoothly as your audience grows or your needs change.